Being an educator is this capacity of mobilizing both head and the heart. You have to get people to understand not only intellectually, but you have to get people to learn emotionally.
I really just love watching people grow and shine. I really think that the AdventureEDU program, the educator program, me being an educator, I think all of that is just extremely important for those of us who have been in the business for a long time to share our knowledge and also to learn from others as we're doing it.
Our bread and butter for AdventureEDU program is to offer in-person training. Students can learn how to craft an itinerary. They can learn how to be a guide, improve their guide skills. In addition to that, we offer self-paced online training, which is a way for students to learn from the convenience of their own home, with topics like business management, guide training, self-guided trips. And a third thing that we offer is virtual trainings. It's a way to offer live training with our expert educators and really customize that and provide a training with some interaction with the educator.
Being able to get access to the expertise of colleagues and professionals from different parts of the world give me, of course, the opportunity to keep myself learning and improving and put that in the operation, but also put it in my mind and heart.
What we found as a side effect to our learning is it really builds community. And when you get adventure travel professionals together in a room, there's no choice but to walk away with fresh connections, new colleagues, and sometimes even friends.
It's always experience, exchange. You meet other people, you get some knowledge. It's enriching your world.
I learn because I realize that the answers that I'm looking for are not only on myself, but are on everybody else that is around me.
I teach because we all have something to share with each other, and sharing is connection.
I teach because I'm a member of the ATTA community. And as with any community, we're there to contribute and to share.
I learn because it makes my world rich.